Ricardo music off. So first and foremost, I think you could probably tell I'm on a new bike. Well, not new to me. The 2001 Kawasaki Concourse. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have already seen this because I've been posting about it and all the fun little stickers and doodads and all that I'm adding to it. But I bought it as a running, non-riding bike. It was X amount of dollars. You need not worry about it, but it's a Kawasaki Concourse. It's a really solid platform, and yeah, there's some things wrong with it, but we'll get to that in a second. So you may have noticed my little friend here on the dash. We're trying that out. It really honestly started as a little joke I made about how everybody uses the ding noise in their videos when they want to hit like. So I was joking, it was on Whiskey Chaser's premiere rather, that to be a little different from everyone else, I was going to add a bell right on my bike. So without further ado, if you haven't done so already, hit that thumbs up button. Really appreciate it. It helps me know what's doing well on the channel, and yeah. Also, totally, not related to me having to tape a bell down on here. The horn went out. So this is my only means of horn. Just kidding. I went and bought a really cheap digital horn. I won't do it right now because there's a guy in front of me, but it's a bicycle horn that does 130 decibels. And, it's not the ideal setup, but it's going to do for today. I think I maybe can pull a fuse or something, and I'll take care of that soon.
Alright folks, I done goofed up. I just bought a GoPro mic adapter and a Purple Panda mic, but clearly the GoPro is not picking up that setup, so I need to look into it, figure out what the hell's going on. So enjoy this quick little montage to the end. I did have a bit more to discuss on this one, but in short, I have stickers. If you want them, hit me up on Instagram at the LooseJuice YT with lower, what do you call those? Like spaces between, lower spaces? Anywho's, I think you know what I mean. I'll put it here. Have a good one.
Please, go hit that like button if you haven't done so already, hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.